Good evening, parents. Welcome. Today we are here to discuss a very important problem of the children, that is the delay in speech. Speech delay is a very common problem in our population and has found to have an incidence of 2 to 2.5% in the common population. Speech is a very important developmental tool. The first instance of speech comes as a cooing of the infant, and it gradually goes into babbling of words at around 8 to 9 months of age, and at around 2 to 3 years the child is able to comprehend with 2 to 3 words or a single sentence. So how to know whether there is a delayed speech in your child? It can be made out when a child has failed to achieve a milestone, speech milestone, during their normal course of development. There are various milestones of speech such as cooing at 2 months of age, babbling at 8 to 9 months of age, 2-word sentences at 2 years of age, speaking 3-word sentences, naming or rhyme or speaking a rhymes at 3 years of age. Able to tell his her name, tell name of other persons, should able to name objects, should be able to tell a rhymes, and should be able to follow the body parts and name them. So how to know whether the child has got a delayed speech? First and foremost is you must take them to the pediatrician if you suspect that your child is having a delayed speech, because delayed speech can have many problems lying behind it, such as the child may have a hearing deficit, may have a seizure disorder, may have developmental anomalies, may also have a cerebral palsy. There are some other methods which will help you encourage your child to speak and help in development of his speech. The most important is that you should give foremost attention when you are talking with your child. You should talk in a slow manner so that it is understandable and comprehensible to the child. You should allow your child to play with other children, tell them stories, especially picture stories, books with pictures and stories. Never ever discriminate your child with other children. It is very harmful for them. It creates a negative mindset within them, so they become more shy and their speech may deteriorate further. Colors are a very good view of expression, so you should allow your children to play with colors. Leave them free with colors. It will help them developing their mental ability, that will ultimately help in improving the speech of the children. Here we are showing you some short clips as an example, so please follow those clips. Okay, thank you.
बोलो साथ साथ बोलो.
A B C D E F G H I J K
K
L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y.
एक व्हीसल था, बताओ. एक घर में ये हाउस है. हाउस में कौन रहता था? हेन रहता था. फिर क्या हुआ था? हेन को क्या हुआ था? फिर क्या हुआ था? नहीं, व्हीसल क्या बोला था? मैं क्या व्हीसल क्या बन के आया था? आया. और कैसे बेल बजाया था? फिर हेन क्या बोला? फिर व्हीसल क्या बोला? स्ट्रॉबेरी दिखाओ मम्मा को. बोलो स्ट्रॉबेरी. हाँ, स्ट्रॉबेरी. ओके, अभी मुझे मंकी दिखाओ शिवान्या. वहाँ पे मंकी है. मंकी. मंकी कैसे बोलता है? ओके, मंकी को रखो। अब शिवान्या मुझे फिश दिखाओ प्लीज। फिश फिश। वाह, फिश का क्या कलर है इसमें? ऑरेंज। यस। अब फिश का मछली जल की रानी बोलो तो। ओके, अभी मुझे हैन दिखाओ। हैन कैसे करता है? हैन कौन से कलर का है? येलो। ओ बेबो, having lollipop, telling lies, open wide.